In this video, we'll see some more advanced button styles with the help of message box. Let us see that. I've already written a code at the backend in the file named as Excel VBA boxes. Let us see that code. Developer tab, I'll go to this Visual Basic and I'm in the module named as C_message box 3, and that's a code which is written sub message box 3, and I've written same message box not to confuse you with the previous videos. Same thing I've written. Now instead of 1, 2, 3, 4 earlier, I've written as 16, 32, 48, 64. Observe carefully, it's a multiple of 16. 16 2s are 34, 48, 64 and so on. So now let us execute and find out what exactly it says. If the number is 16, what is the output? What is the message box? I'll click on step into. If you observe, 16 number is for this one given as error message. Click on OK. Again, if I execute, it says as 17 is for the help. You can see the help button is given. Yeah, the help button. And if I say 48, if I click on this 48, and if you see there was a sound which came, that is nothing but a warning. Okay, warning. And 64, let us say 64. 64 will give you the information. So there's the information symbol which is given here. Let us execute once again. Step into. See, first one 16 will come as, observe the message, that is the error message. Again 32 will give you the help. Again 48, the text is same, the button is same, only this icon is changing, and the sound, if you observe, that is also changing. So it stands for warning. And the last one 64, that's nothing but information. You can get it. I'll click on OK. Again it is a bit difficult to remember the numbers. 16 stands for what, 32 stands for what, 48 and 64. Again a shortcut method. I'll just press enter here. That's the code. I've pasted, I've copied earlier, I've pasted here. So message box welcome, VB critical, VB information, VB exclamation and VB question. So in our terms, what you can see is this one is the error message, this one is the information, this one will be the warning message, and this one will be the help, the last one, fourth one. So what I'll do is I'll comment this first. I'll first comment this one and edit, click on this comment block. Let us execute this and see what is the answer I'll get. Step into. Let's say VB critical. So this is nothing but a critical information, critical message. And second is information. That's the information. Click on OK. And next is VB exclamation. We usually call it as a warning message. I'll click on OK. And the last one is VB question. I'll click on step into. It's usually help symbol, help sign. If you see here, that's a help sign which is given here, which is used a lot, right? And finally step out, right? So I hope you're able to understand there are different styles of button again in the multiples of 16, 16, 32, 48, 64. All these numbers you can use to display different types of message, warning, error, information, help, etc. I hope you have understood. That's all for this video.